So this is the background noise that I hear all the time. And so as you can see, as you can hear, when I speak in the microphone, I hear the hiss even more. So, and when I play guitar or any other instrument, it's the same. See how the notes are followed by that hiss or hum? And so here's my configuration. I have a Allen and Heath CQ20B mixer. The microphones are the PTU-1000, and I can see they're evenly spaced out in terms of frequency. So basically, the microphones, the connection goes from the PTU-1000 to this Behringer splitter, which allows us to go to the mixer for our in-ears and to the front of house for concerts. And then it goes in the external outs. So these four will go to the PTM-10. We have tried and purchased a PTM-33, which has a nice sound. We love it, but it's mono, and because we play metal, there's not enough clarity. We need more left and right differences because it's too much of one sound in the middle, so to say. So we wanted to go with the PTM-10, and it doesn't have the same sound clarity as the PTM-33, which has a nice sound, no hiss, no hum, but it's mono. And so the problem I have with the PTM-10 is that it does have this hum, this hiss all the time, and I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong, if there's a mistake or anything. But anyways, the antennas you see in the back are the four antennas here and here and there. There are the antennas from the PTU-1000, which we have extended in the back. But they don't interfere with the PTM-10, because even if I put the PTM-10 on another side of the room, let's say here, on its own, not even connected to the whole rig, but just directly connected to the synthesizer, for example, here in the back, it's the same problem. We have no difference. So I don't think it's coming from any interferences with other equipment.